I'm just going to hopefully wait for it to start running, if it ever does. Hello everybody from Universal. Today is a very special day because I'm hoping to see some VelociCoaster testing. Sorry, you probably could hear Hulk over me. That's that loud noise and the loud Christmas music playing. But yeah, I'm hopeful to see the VelociCoaster testing because I have not yet seen it. So let's work our way around the park. Let's start by checking out Popeye. Normally I go around the park counterclockwise. Today I'm gonna do the opposite and head off around Toon Lagoon and Marvel Superhero Island. Just start my way that way. But enough wasting time. It's still early, so I'm really hoping that they'll start testing soon. Let's go! But I mean, yeah, just look at this coaster. Coming along, very nice. A lot of the greenery on the waterfront there, as you can see. Let me try to zoom in. Yeah, look at all that plantery and greenery on the waterfront, floating in the water. Hey, the palm trees are unwrapped though. Last time I was here, they just planted some new palm trees in front of the Discovery Center and it looks like they're now unwrapped. So, making progress. Oh yeah, I forgot, but the area back by Popeye doesn't open till 11. So we can't go back there quite yet. But let's work our way through Jurassic Park and just check up on construction over there first. Okay, those lights up there actually alternate from blue to red to blue. I just saw them do it twice. So that's part of something new that I actually haven't seen yet. The lights turned on. And that's how you know it's busy. 35-minute wait for Raptor Encounter. And so those flashing blue and red lights are expected to be a light package for the coaster. When it launches, it'll switch from blue to red. That is the rumor right now, but I came back here to quickly get a look from this angle right next to the Ford Explorer because it's been a while since we've been back here. Not too much new that you can see though. Now it's only about 9 o'clock now, an hour after the park opens, and this is the crowd level through Harry Potter. Still need a virtual line for Hagrid, which I do not have. And okay, now I came back behind Meet Those, and yes, it is called Meet Those, not Mythos, like a lot of people think. Just one of my many pet peeves. But here's a good look of the VelociCoaster now. And no Osprey. Hopefully he'll find a new home soon. Okay, while I'm waiting for it to hopefully start testing, I'm gonna go and quickly try to hop on Dr. Doom. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm not gonna try filming on the ride because it's not allowed, but let's just get that nice cinematic shot of the doors opening. Okay, so the wait for Spider-Man right now is 2 hours, 120 minutes, but I was literally about to step in line because I thought it said only 20. So, yeah, not doing that right now. I was excited that it was only 20, but not really. Also, when I was on Dr. Doom, I did see the osprey flying over the VelociCoaster. It was a much different perspective seeing it from in the air, too. So I almost forgot, but I think I'm gonna go and try to see the new Forbidden Journey lockers that I keep forgetting to check out. They're apparently open now, so I don't even know if I'm gonna ride it. I just want to see them. So let's go back there and see what we can see. Here's the new way to the new lockers. Well, that was a quick visit to Forbidden Journey. It was a 75-minute wait, so I decided not to wait that, just quickly, really briefly show you the new lockers. But now we're still waiting on the back area behind the VelociCoaster to open up. We still got some time to kill, so. Okay, so I think I'm gonna quickly head over to Universal Studios Florida, which they have a shortcut open right between the two parks here. And then I'll make my way back here in a couple hours. And we made it over to Studios. They're doing this because the parks are, busier through the holidays, but there's the old Nickelodeon Studios building. So I think I'm gonna try to do Men in Black right now. I'm on my way over there because the app said it's only a 10-minute wait. That's most likely the shortest wait in the park. So, haven't done that in a while. That should be fun. Okay, so here we are. Gotta put my stuff in a locker. See you after. Okay, now after my very short and brief visit to Studios, I'm gonna head back over to Islands and hopefully see that new coaster testing. And here's another quick and brief look at the old Nickelodeon Studios. And okay, as we re-enter Seuss Landing and Islands, I was able to get a virtual time for Hagrid. So, for right now actually. So we're gonna go and do that. And then make our way back around the park. So this is the whole line right now for the virtual line for Hagrid. Should move pretty quick though, hopefully. And it goes all the way through the old 8th Voyage of Sinbad show, which is now just used normally for a U-rest area, but yeah, the whole stage and everything is still here. And past that gate is the U-rest area. I actually never saw the 8th Voyage of Sinbad show. I'm sure it was a great show, but I don't know. Yet again, I have to put my stuff in a locker, so see you right after. Okay, so now I'm heading back behind Popeye to get a good look at it. To get a good look of the VelociCoaster. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a knot right there of some rope. Apparently, if it's set up across here and down there to keep people from going on the waterfront over there, that means that they're about to start testing. That's something that I picked up recently, so it might still be a while. And okay, so while I waited out, I have my bag here and my stuff, and I'm just going to hopefully wait for it to start running, if it ever does. I mean, don't know how long that'll be, but for the time being, I'm just gonna grab a seat and wait it out. So I was sitting here and just noticed now, but that big wooden wall over there is to hide backstage area for the Meet Those restaurant. People were wondering if they were gonna paint it because it was like this ugly, like white, clean wood color. It kind of stuck out like a Thor's thumb, so people were wondering if they were gonna paint it to kind of make it match the surroundings a little bit better. I don't know if this is the final paint or just a primer, but it looks a lot better than it did. Now here's about the best view you can get right now of that Heartline roll. Man, I can't wait to get some action shots like this when it opens. And there you could just see again all the plants and vegetation down on the waterfront. to really give it that Jurassic feel. Now if you do look, there is a security camera right there, kind of to blend in with the whole Jurassic theme, but I'm guessing it's really there to spy on the riders when they're going through the hardline roll. That's my guess. Kind of just to make sure, you know, you're not doing anything you shouldn't be. And they also have some nice rocks right about down there too. The theming is coming along nice. And as you can see, there is a viewing area, some glass right there, that you can see the coaster launch as you're inside the queue area. I do like that a lot, actually. Okay, so I just left and came back from getting a nice beverage, some nice Starbucks coffee, and now they have a cherry picker up there that was just a minute ago at the top cleaning off all the nest like twigs and whatnot that the osprey left behind. That's always like what they do right before they start testing it, so hopefully soon. It doesn't look like that area is gated off yet. Once that is gated off and the workers have cleared the ride area, they should start running it, hopefully. Yeah, it is about 1:15 right now. I've been here since about 8:30 this morning. So pretty much an all-day thing. Hopefully it'll be soon. Okay, I think I'm going a little mad here, honestly. Every time I hear just the slightest noise from Hulk or Popeye or even some power drills, I think it's the VelociCoaster, and it's not. And so I probably look embarrassing. Trying to rush to grab my camera real quick. How embarrassing on my part. Guys, we're making progress. They just came out to move some of the gates down there into position to keep guests back. So hopefully, like I've been saying all day, hopefully soon they'll start testing it at last, at long last. Okay, so it's been about 15 or 20 minutes now and still nothing. Come on, man. I want to see some VelociCoaster testing. Yeah, you can see right here, this rope is not tethered there, so testing is not going to happen yet, unfortunately. I don't know how much longer I could stay. I have to leave at about 3:30-ish, 3:30-ish, so not sure how much longer I can stay, but man, this is frustrating. Okay guys, it's now 3:15. I've been here for about half my day, basically. Well, the time that I've been here at least. I've been here literally like 3.5 hours waiting on this thing, and at this point I don't think it's going to run. I need to skedaddle on out of here in about 10 minutes, and I doubt it's going to start running within that time. I'm sorry if you clicked on this video hoping to see some VelociCoaster testing. I'm as bummed as you are. I mean, tons of other YouTubers out there have already captured it on video, like Midway Mayhem, Amusement Insider, I'm sure there's a handful of others. So go and check out their videos because they were definitely a lot more successful than I have been. So in a few minutes, I'm just gonna cut right to my outro. Man, what a bummer. Now, I don't think I completely wasted my day away, but in a weird sort of way I did. So thanks for sticking with me this far. Again, I apologize for no day testing, but it is what it is. Yeah, we've been here for almost 3.5 hours in the same exact spot. So I think I'm just gonna cut to the outro and sign off for the day. And okay, like I said, I really gotta get out of here. Thanks for sticking with me. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Hopefully we'll have better luck next time, but I will see you in the next one, guys. So see you then.